So let's look now at how to represent the atomic number and mass number of an atom. So we will write here the symbol of the element, and on the upper left we will write the mass number A, which is equal to the number of protons plus number of neutrons, and to the lower left we will write the atomic number, which is equal to the number of protons. If this was an ion, then we will write the charge, whether it is a positive charge or a negative charge, on the upper right. Let's take an example. So we have carbon, so we wrote a capital letter C, and here we wrote 6, which is equal to the atomic number, which is the number of protons of the carbon element, and here we wrote 12, which is the mass number. Using this representation, we can calculate the number of neutrons of the carbon atom, which will be equal to 12 minus 6, which is the mass number minus the number of protons, and it is 6 in this case. Another example is sodium. So the sodium atom has a mass number which is equal to 23 and an atomic number which is equal to 11. So if we want to calculate the number of neutrons of the sodium atom, we will write 23, which is the mass number, minus 11, which is the number of protons, which is the atomic number as well, and this is equal to 12. So a sodium atom has 11 protons, 11 electrons, and 12 neutrons.